Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are safe and good at your home. A warm welcome to you in mathematics class. This video is for class 2, subject mathematics, topic shapes and page number 112 and 113. And this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Our today's topic is Do and Learn. This is an activity to learn more about shapes. Do and Learn, page number 112. Aim of this activity is to learn more about shapes and to get the feel of half and a quarter. Things needed: sheets of writing paper, chart paper, sticky tape. 3 things we need. Do and learn. For this activity, we learn about different shapes. First, take a rectangular sheet of paper. Fold and tear as shown in figure. You will take a rectangular paper, fold in triangular from one corner to another, and then turn off the extra paper. You will turn off. You will cut the extra sheet. What is the shape of the folded sheet? What is the shape of the folded sheet? You have fold the sheet and now you get the new shape. What is the shape? It is triangle. Triangle. What is the shape of the turn off sheet? This shape is rectangle. Rectangle. Fourth, open the folded sheet. Open. You have fold the sheet and then you get the triangle. Now open that sheet after removing the extra sheet. So when you will open, what is its shape? Is it a square? Yes. Yes, it is a square. What shape has the fold made? Fold made. If you fold the sheet, the shape is triangle. If you will fold the sheet, the shape will be triangle. 2 triangles are there in one square. Fifth, fold the sheet as shown. Not in that opposite points, you will fold this in middle line. What is the shape now? Now we will get rectangle. Rectangle. Its size is half of the size of the square sheet. This is the square sheet and this shape is the half of the square sheet. Next activity is take a piece of chart paper. Cut a rectangle from a sheet of chart paper. Then you roll and tape. First you roll it and then tape it. First take a rectangle from a sheet of chart paper, then roll that paper and then tape it. What shape do you get? We get the shape of cylinder. We get the shape of cylinder. This shape is called cylinder. It is hollow shape and it is rolled shape. Next activity. First, take a sheet of chart paper, then draw a large circle on a sheet of paper. You can take jar to draw circle on the chart paper. After drawing the circle, you cut out the circle. Then fold in half like this. Cut the circle and fold it in half. Each folded side is half of the circle. When you will fold it, it will be half and it is called a half circle. It is called a half circle. Fold again in half as shown. This half circle, you fold it again. Each folded side is a quarter of a circle. Each folded side is the quarter of a circle. Means 1/4 of a circle. This is the full circle and it is half circle and it is 1/4 means a quarter circle. Now put your fingers between the folds. 4 folds are here and you put your finger and spread them out. So you will get a shape. This shape is called cone. So children, this figure is called cone. So children, in this video, you have learned more about triangle, square, rectangle, cylinder, circle and cone. Thank you.